Oh, hi there. Sorry, I was trying to decipher some of the words used in the social media platform. Now, that's a problem with social media because there's so many words that you do not understand if you are not really using them in your daily life. There's so many slang or cyber slangs or net lingo used in this platform which somehow can create a lot of confusion. Imagine telling an older person who have not used social media before on words like YOLO, BRB, and all these words. I'm sure they do not have any clue what you're trying to say. So in this part, we'll be talking more on how English has changed or evolved in these platforms. Firstly is the net lingo or cyberspeak, or some people call it cyber slangs. Um, There are certain characteristics of words that are widely used in social media. Firstly, is of course words that are abbreviated. Instead of saying in full, these words are made into short forms or abbreviations to allow uh, the use of such words in social media. For example, instead of saying laughing out loud, you just type LOL. Instead of saying be right back, you put BRB. Or instead of saying you only live once, you put YOLO, or they like to say YOLO. These are the things that perhaps have changed the way we communicate via social media platform especially. Can you name some of the characteristics that perhaps you have noted in the social media platform besides the one that I mentioned? Well, one of the things that I think you also realize is perhaps the emoticons or the use of emoji, where certain emotions are described using keyboard figures or even icons. Another thing about the use of language in social media is the use of hashtag. If you notice across social media platform, certain words are given hashtag to allow easier search and also to tag your posts and updates by creating an impression that these words are describing the things that you have posted. Now, for example, if you post a picture of yourself, instead of saying this is a photo of myself, you just need a hashtag selfie. Now, of course, it sounds familiar to you, but for certain people who are not familiar with social media, they will be having problem understanding what do you mean by the term selfie. Well, having said that, the younger generation these days are also coming up with different kind of slangs for the social media. You have a lot of slangs which are widely used online but not in daily conversation, especially with the use of hashtag. Besides that, when it comes to the use of English in the social media platform, I think you can see that there is this excessive use of punctuations. For example, when you finish a sentence in the social media platform, you don't really put one full stop, you tend to put multiple full stop, like dot 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 dot. Or when you put a question mark for your question, instead of putting one, you tend to put more than one. These are some of the characteristics of language use in the social media platform. Now, I would like you to observe how the English words are used across several social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, and describe to me in one or two paragraphs your views about it. Do you think social media are actually promoting better use of English, or they are actually killing the language. You don't have to write very long on this. I just want to know your opinion, so you can just use the comment box down there and give me your feedback.